Hello, lovelies. All right, so I have the January Elves box from Sophie and Toffee, and I figured I'd open it up for you guys because that's what I do. As usual, I bought the box myself, no freebies or anything else. There is a link down below in the description that will give you guys a discount and give me something from Sophie and Toffee if you use it. I always forget what, but it does get you guys a discount, which is the more important part. So you're going to get my honest opinion of what is in the box, and without further ado, let's find out. I do like that we've moved on from the orange boxes, not because I disliked the orange, but because I was starting to mix them up. So January is the vending machine box. Based on what teasers I've seen, I think this is going to be a project box, which I'm not always excited about because you have to want to actually do the project to be excited about it. And I think there's a code in this somewhere, so I'm going to make sure you guys don't get my coupon code. Sorry about that, but I think I'm going to be using it. Okay. Oh, cool. So they do a contest with the contents of the box, and it looks like they're actually showing the winners, which is really cool. And then the premium items, which I'm not getting because I do not have a premium box. The toy capsule thing, actually I've seen that in the videos. That looks pretty cool because you actually get a functioning like vending capsule thing and it actually works. Some colors of resin that I might or might not already have. I mean, okay, I'm a little sad I missed out on some of that stuff, but not sad enough to like be, oh my god, must find it later. So let's move on to identifying. Yeah, there's 2 pages of items that I am getting. So let's identify those things. Gachapon, there's a bunch of molds in here, so we're going to just kind of rearrange things a little bit to find them. Okay, so this is the Gachapon mold. As far as I can tell, these molds are not functional molds. They're decorative molds, so you can make them and they'll look right. You can set them on a shelf with dolls or something, but they're not going to actually work as vending machines. And then here is the other vending machine mold. That, again, it doesn't look like it has a way to connect where the toys would be to the bottom, so it is just decorative, even if it's got some neat detailing on it. Food and drinks clear mold is this one, which looks like some of them at least are small enough to fit into the vending machine area. Maybe not all of them. Cute animal stickers. There we go. Cute animal stickers. Oh, and they are nail designs. Okay, I'm going to be honest. I might actually use these on my nails instead of in my resin, which I usually do not say. Usually it's the opposite. I'm buying nail stuff and then using it with my resin. AB 1-to-1 resin. Okay, this stuff is good. I have used their resin a couple times now in my dice making, and I'm going to be honest. I'm going to make more dice with this because, yeah. Opaque dye. Ooh, all right. I don't have a lot of opaque dyes from Sophie and Toffee. Most of them are translucent. Pink. I mean rose, but pink. But the violet's nice. And like I said, I don't think I have either of these colors yet in my own stash, so it's not like it's bad. Just, gosh darn it, why so much pink? Colorful beads. Colorful beads. I mean, like on a larger scale, they look kind of like you could pass them off as boba, maybe. I'm not quite sure what I'd do with them. I guess they're just meant to be things you can shove in the vending machine. Metal embellishments. Yep, those are metal embellishments. It looks like the little tiny balls are the same in all colors, and then after that you get different shapes in each color. So that's kind of neat. That's definitely cute for adding into resin and shaker charms if you're into shaker charms. And clear shaker film, because I think that ultimately when you make these things based on the design, you actually do make them kind of as shakers. So there we go. There's then directions for doing this that includes how much of the resin to use, which is really nice. I appreciate they tell you that, so you are guaranteed to be able to make both of these projects. And oh, that's the back page. So there we go. That's the end of it. And it looks like I'm getting coasters and a trinket dish next time. You know what? I am more excited about coasters than about little vending machine things, because coasters I can use, and vending machine things are like, and I'll put that on the shelf and have to dust it forever. I have weird taste in crafting things. Like jewelry is great because you can wear it. Usable things are great. But when it starts becoming art pieces where you just set them and have them, they start to kind of annoy me. So anyway, if you have been amused by my opinionated box opening, then please consider subscribing because I do at least one of these videos a month. And I've got a bunch of social media you can check out, although I've been super negligent about posting on it, as I'm sure you know if you follow any of it. But yeah, check that out. I'll try to be better about it if I see people are subscribing. And I think that's it. So I will see you lovelies on the internet.